Introducing the Flamingo Revolution by Admetec and Andau Medical. The Flamingo is a Loupe-Mounted HD camera and headlight designed to show exactly what the dentist sees. The kit also comes with a wireless pedal for recording and wireless dongle for transmission, as well as 2 batteries with the power pack for up to 8 hours of support. This lens module provides 1080p video at 30 frames per second, ideal for live training or clinical playback. The onboard headlight reaches up to 60,000 lux, bright enough for even the most demanding procedures. Let's take a look at assembly. 5 simple steps to Flamingo. First, take the power pack and load the battery. Then plug the power pack and then the camera module as well. Next, plug the wireless dongle and click on the proprietary Flamingo software. Lastly, swap your light with the Flamingo and you are set. The power button on the power pack will activate the light camera and also the live action of recording. Or you can use the wireless pedal.
The Flamingo weighs just 19 grams yet captures stunning clarity in full HD, with an integrated light source that eliminates shadows. Compare this to a traditional camera setup and the difference is clear. Students see exactly what the clinician sees in real time. Whether you're running a simulation lab, giving live feedback, or building a clinical archive, Flamingo keeps you hands-free and focused. Flamingo's software is clean and intuitive. Record your session, trim the highlights, bookmark key steps, and stream it live if needed. Everything you capture can be saved, reviewed, or sent for documentation.
Here's what it looks like in action. From stainless steel crown placement to posterior crown preparation, Flamingo captures every step from the operator's point of view. This is a game changer for training, documenting, and reviewing technique. We use Flamingo for more than just training. In patient consultations, showing is more powerful than telling. Patients watch their own procedures, understand their treatment plans, and feel more confident in the care they receive. In an age of visual learning, this device brings clarity and control. It's perfect for dental schools, clinics, and training centers. It helps us teach smarter, a must for insurance purposes, and communicate with confidence.
In this clip, you're seeing the Flamingo by Admetec in action, being used by a clinician wearing loupes during a simulated dental procedure. The camera is mounted directly onto the loupes and is wirelessly transmitting a high-resolution feed in real time. No cables, no interference, just clean, full HD video from the operator's exact point of view. On the split screen, the left side shows the operator's hands and workspace, while the right side captures a precise intraoral view, directly from the Flamingo camera. With Flamingo, you don't just record dentistry. You see it exactly how the dentist sees it. Live, hands-free, and crystal clear.
We're proud to use Flamingo at the Tooth Factory. This is what the future of clinical teaching and patient engagement looks like. Flamingo by Admetec and by Andau Medical has revolutionized dentistry as we know it.